Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see different reports in SAP ABAP. In the previous lecture, we have seen about the RICEP concept. Let us first move towards the agenda. We are going to see different types of reports. Then what is meant by classical reports and different events in classical reports. So there are basically three types of reports, that is classical report, interactive report and ALV report, that is ABAP list viewer. So what is meant by classical report? Basically in classical report the information is displayed in only a single list format. There is no sub list provided into a classical reports and it contains only one screen as an output. So different events in classical report: initialization, add selection screen output, add selection screen, then start of selection, end of selection, start top of page and end of page. Let us see all these events in details. Very first, initialization. Initialization is used to initialize default values of a program, where at selection screen is used to validate multiple screen on a selection screen. So at selection screen on field, it validates a single input field on a selection screen, whereas at selection screen on value request it provides search help on input field, and help request provide help information for an input field. The third event is at selection screen. It validates the single field on a selection screen, whereas we saw that at selection screen it validates multiple screens, but in the at selection screen output it validates a single field on a selection screen. So next one is start of selection. It is a default event in a classical report which is used to write original business logic statements. Also, it is used to fetch the data from database and place into an internal table. Then there comes an end of selection. It indicates that the start of selection has ended successfully or not. The next one is top of page. Top of page, it displays the header files or header information, and end of page displays the footer information in the classical report. In the next lecture, we are going to see what are the interactive reports in SAP ABAP.